I'm Sami, Managing Partner at Chapter Westchester, Connecticut. For this home, we remodeled the full kitchen and renovated 2 bathrooms and a powder room that was converted into a full bathroom. Also in the house, we refinished the entire floors and repainted the whole interior as well.
So here we are standing in the kitchen. The first thing we did was extended the hardwood flooring throughout the space to create a nice cohesive entry into the room. We also extended this island footprint so it has a really nice seating all the way around. We also expanded the footprint of the kitchen, so we pushed this wall out, which allowed for this really great big freestanding refrigerator that you see here. All new countertops. This is a Taj Mahal and a leather finish. And then you can see that we actually extended the countertop halfway up the backsplash, and then it transitions into a really beautiful tile in a zellage format. All new lighting that really kind of enhances the mood of the space. As far as the cabinetry, lots of drawers everywhere, lots of organization packed into the interiors, and then tons of new appliances. We have a built-in microwave, we have a warming drawer, we have 2 dishwashers that are panel ready on either side of the sink, and then we also relocated the cooking station. It was previously in the island, and we moved it over here, so a nice large 36-inch wolf range. We put in new ventilation for the range, and that's actually venting to the exterior. And then just really nice touches of brass lighting and brass accents throughout all the hardware. Coming over here, we did add a kind of home office desk into this kind of corner niche. So the wood tone of the cabinetry matches back to the island cabinetry. So really nice floating shelves and some desk drawer organization there. And then over here we have a pantry wall that also is servicing as a bar. So you have great storage on either side and above, a small prep sink, and then we have additional under-counter refrigeration for beverages and wine. Our clients host a lot, so this was a really great zone for them to complement that part of their lifestyle. Here we are in the first floor bathroom. This was previously a powder room, but we extended it to have a full walk-in shower. In the main area, we did a beautiful 2-drawer wood vanity that's floating, and the finish ties back to that of the kitchen. So there's that nice continuity going throughout the 2 spaces. Inside the shower, we brought in a really cool terracotta hex tile in the floor in the back of the wall shower niche. Brass touches and finishes throughout really tie the space together and also tie it back to the main kitchen area. Here we are standing in the kids' bathroom. This was a full gut, so new tiles, new plumbing fixtures, new bathtub. We selected a large format terrazzo tile for the floor, and then a cool detail is that we ran it up the front of the bathtub. We also included it in the back of the shower niche, as well as the floating shelf in there to really tie everything all together. For the wall tiles, we selected a high gloss blue subway tile that we ran in this vertical format. So there's a playfulness to it in the way that it kind of works off of the terrazzo that we thought would be really appropriate for a kid's bathroom. In the vanity, we replaced the vanity, also bringing that same wood tone finish from the kitchen and the first floor bathroom up into this space. So there's really a nice flow and continuity of the wood finishes throughout the home, as well as the countertop as well, matching back to what we did inside the kitchen. Same with brass finishes that you see here on the cabinet handles and all the plumbing fixtures. So having that continuity throughout the home. Here we are in the basement bathroom. So this is attached to the family's playroom as well as a guest bedroom that's downstairs. Given that there's no natural light, we wanted to keep the space feeling really bright, light, and also very sophisticated. So we brought that large format terrazzo back down into the floor here, and then transitioned the wall tile into a really pretty herringbone pattern that runs into the shower's wall. The shower floor has this very cool gunmetal blue hexagon. And then we kept the vanity finish in here a little bit lighter and brighter, going back to the wall cabinet colors that we have in the kitchen. Again, bringing that same brass tonality into the hardware and just creating a really great functional space for guests to use.
Thanks for watching, and if you're in Westchester and you have renovation plans, please reach out to our team to start your next chapter.